Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepu and I'm a beauty influencer. I'm posting my video every Friday, so subscribe to my channel and don't forget to put notification button on. Normally I'm posting all beauty needs videos which will help you for the routine and special occasion. Guess what? Today is a very special look, which is Valentine's look, and it's going to be super easy and super quick. Valentine's Day is very special day. It's all about love and purity. So this is my Valentine's Day look. I have applied all my skincare products and my face is ready for the makeup. I always start my eye makeup first, starting with primer from Revlon. It can keep oil from the skin away from the eyeshadow and help to prevent fading. My new obsession in 2021 is Urban Decay Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette. I'm using Antidote, which matches with my skin color, and I'm using Morphe Big blending brush to apply eyeshadow on my crease. Blending eyeshadows are the key to get flawless makeup, so blending and blending. Now it's time to give some color to my outer corner, so using Hex shade along with my Zoeva soft corner brush. I'm applying that shade just in the corner as a V shape and blending with my crease. Again taking my Morphe brush which has left eyeshadow and blending both eyeshadow together for a seamless look. Now it's time for some glitter on the top. I'm using Raw Energy shade and applying with my finger. As you guys know, I love glitters on my eyes. Here I'm using Maybelline Liquid Glossy Eyeliner. If you want to see how to apply perfect eyeliner, I have made a video for that. I will put the link in my description box down below. It's time to fill up my eyebrows. As you all know, Benefit products are very popular for eyebrows and their range are very huge. As I always use precisely my Pro Pencil shade 6 along with 24 hours eyebrow settler, which will keep my eyebrow hair on the place. It has gel consistency and it's very lightweight, so you won't feel like you are wearing anything. It's weightless. Primers are must to keep your makeup creaseless. And of course, if you are going for Valentine's Day dinner, then you want to look perfect. Here in Australia, we have summer, so you start getting sweat after some time. And I don't want my makeup to move around, so using Urban Decay setting spray as my base today, so my foundation won't mix with my face oil and stick for a long time. My face is ready for foundation. I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation, which gives a flawless blend to my face. I'm blending it with my beauty blender, and yeah, I kind of like the coverage. Time to give some shades and highlights on my face, as I love Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight and conceal my dark spots, especially my under eyes, using the same beauty blender and dabbing it, blending it with my foundation. I'm concealing all my concealer area with Fenty Beauty No Color Press Powder. so I don't crease where I'm having fine lines, especially under my eyes and around my lips. To give some shades to my face, I'm using my all-time favorite Sephora Sculpt Stick as my contour stick, and you guys know where to apply. Using same beauty blender to blend everything so all the products blends together and looks flawless. Today I'm using a very new holiday launch of 2020 palette. It has a very luxurious polished gold compact. This palette features 3 of the best selling and 3 exclusive blush, bronzer and highlighter. And I'm going to use all of them starting with bronzer, which is left in the bottom corner, and using Vibrant Flush as my blush. The texture of these powders are very creamy and it's blend out very easily. I like the way it turns out. It's time to highlight my cheekbones and my brow bones using Strop Powder shade Glistening Stone Light. I'm finishing my eyes using same shade which I used on my cut crease, my outer corners and glitter shades inner corner of my eyes. Two-phase lip injection is one of the sensation who doesn't want to go for Botox. This lip balm gives instant plump to your lips and bring out your lips for a perfect pout. It has little tinglish feeling but you can adjust in few seconds. I have applied my false lashes pin-up lash from Benefit. It's easy to apply. If you want to know how to apply false lashes, comment me down below so I can make separate video for that. I'm using NYX Liquid Cream Lipstick shade Soft Spoken, which is matte lipstick, and finishing my lips along with Maybelline Lifter Gloss shade Pearl, which will give me a perfect juicy lips. Setting and sealing everything with my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. So this is my final look. And I'm ready to go to meet my special one. Hope you like this video. See you all next week. Bye.